In this video, we are going to be looking at equivalent fractions. Equivalent means the same. Equivalent means the same. It is the same. Half is the same as 2/4. 2/4 is the same as 4/8. And 4/8 is the same as 1/2. They're all the same. We can see in the first circle that half of the circle is shaded green. If we divide our circle into two equal parts, we can see one of the parts is shaded green. When we're looking at quarters, we can see that 4 equal parts and 2 are shaded blue, and that is another representation of half. And then we can see eighths. 8 equal parts and 4 shaded red, we can see is another representation of half, because half of the eighths are shaded red and half of the quarters are shaded blue. Okay, so 2/4 are the same as a half, 4/8 are the same as a half. They're equivalent. If we continue this understanding of equivalence, and we know that equivalence means equal or the same, we can see that 1/2, or one of 2 equal bits, is the same as 2/4, is the same as 4/8. If we divide our rectangle into 4 equal parts and we shade 2 of them blue, we know that is the same as saying 1/2. We know that if we divide our rectangle into 8 equal parts, or eighths, and 4 of them are shaded blue, we can see that that is another representation of half. They are all equivalent fractions. 1/2 is the same as 2/4, is the same as 4/8. Lastly, let's have a look at this number line. We can see that half is right in the middle. We can see that if we divided our line into 4 equal parts, or into quarters, that 2/4 is the same as a half. If we divided our line further into eighths, we can see that 4/8 is the same as 2/4, is the same as 1/2. We can also see that 1/4 is the same as 2/8. If we divided our line into quarters, we could see that 1/8 is the same, 1/4 is the same as 2/8. If we have a look at 3/4, or 3/4, or 3/4, we know that 3/4 is the same as 6/8. So in review, we know that equivalent fractions mean equal or the same. If it's equivalent, it's the same as. 1/2 is the same as 2/4, is the same as 4/8. 1/4 is the same as 2/8, and 3/4 is the same as 6/8.